Hey everyone, welcome to this video. So today I'm going to give you my first impressions of this Amazon LED desk lamp. It is from the brand Sky Leo. I think that's how you pronounce it. And yeah, this is what it looks like on the outside. I did get the white version. I am in my kitchen now, but I'm going to bring it out to the nail salon and I'm going to show you exactly what it's like set up. But I was so excited to open the package and I just wanted to record opening the package and see what it's like inside first. So I'm going to do that with you straight away. These are my honest first impressions. And like, I did buy this, so it wasn't sent to me or anything. The price is just under €30. So that is so reasonable. Okay, so let's see what we have in here. Oh, look at this. It's a little remote control for brightness and a timer. We have mode on and off, obviously. So I'm just going to open it up a little bit and show you exactly what it looks like. Okay, so this is heavy. This is heavy. Okay, so this is the base. I want to say as well that it was like $29.50 or something like that. And without the base, you could buy it with just a clamp for the edge of the desk. And then that was 21 or 20. It was about 10 or cheaper. But I just decided for the sake of a tenner just to have the luxury of having a base on the desk and not having to clamp it at the side of the desk. Then we have this, which I'm assuming is, I'm not sure what this is, but maybe this is the clamp in case you want to clamp it. And you can see it does come with the European plug adapter, which is brilliant. Sometimes I hate when they don't, they know where you're ordering from and they don't send you the correct plug. It drives me crazy. So obviously that goes into the back of the plug and it's all attached. The one thing I was worried about, would it be one of those things that you have to attach like screws here and stuff? I was so hoping it wouldn't be. And I'm just going to pull it out and it kind of, I'm going to bring it into the salon and show you guys, but I just wanted to open it here and see what it was like. So it kind of goes in a zigzaggy motion, just like the picture suggests. And then this is the lamp itself and you can move it around and twist it around. Okay guys, now that I know that you don't have to fully attach this part of it, I am going to just take it and show you guys in what it looks like when it's put together in the salon. So this is the lamp. I have set it up now on my desk. This is how it's looking. So if it didn't have that base right there, it would be kind of clamped to the edge of my desk. And I'm so glad I went with the base now, because if I got the clamp, it would have kind of had to have pushed my desk out a little bit. And I don't need my desk to be pushed out enough because I just have enough space now to get around my desk. So yeah, so this is how it's looking. I am really happy with it spatial wise. So what you can do is, this is, you know, the top of the lamp and you can kind of push it down. You can bring it down. It's like you can push it all the way down to whatever you're doing all the way. And then you can also pull it up again. So you can just kind of bring it up really, really high if you want. So obviously you might need two hands to kind of pull it up higher, but it's very user friendly. Like, it did all come together. All I had to do was screw. So I just had to place the base into this little hole and then screw it in. Very user friendly, because I absolutely cannot do DIY at all. And that's just the way it goes. And you can kind of pull it up and pull it down. Like I said, you can bring it all the way down to there if you want. And you can bring this actual lamp higher if you want. I find it, I've already sat at it and just kind of did my little ergonomics kind of training with it, and I know that for my elbow and my hand and everything else, I'm going to have loads of room. Also, I'm going to just go through with you what's on the label and the wattage and all that good stuff, and I'm going to show you the different modes, and I'm going to click on and off with the remote just to show you. Okay, so I'm just going to go over the leaflet with you. So it is quite straightforward. We have the product structure there, and then we have the remote control and what's on the remote control, like your on-off switch. your mode, your brightness and your timer. And then we also have the product information up here. So we have the powered 5V2A, the wattage 12 watts, CRI is 90. I'm not sure what that even means. But then we have the lumen. So this is what I was interested in, because a lot of the lamps that I was looking up, and it didn't really matter the price, like kind of going up to close to 100. A lot of the lamps were only like 500 lumen, maybe 600 lumen. And I was kind of going, okay, that's not going to be that bright. So when I saw this was 1100, this is what really attracted me to that. And then it just tells you the lamp life, timer, etc. How to install your clamp if that's what you're using. Like I said, it comes with the clamp. I didn't need to use that clamp because I bought the base. And then it shows you that you have 3 lighting modes: warm light, white light, and warm white light, and then your brightness level, etc, etc. But I am just going to show you now. So I'm sitting down here now and I am just looking at my little lamp right in front of me, and I am going to show you so this is the remote control. So we have our on off button, our mode button, and our plus and minus brightness. I think it has 10 brightness levels, and then the timer. So I'm just going to show you the modes and kind of how it changes. So this is a white light. This is going to a warm light. This is white again. And this is cool white. It seems like it has more than 3 modes though, because I feel like there's 2 different white lights. And then there is a kind of a bluer light. It seems like there's 4 modes. I don't know. I'm sorry, I'm flicking this on and off now. I don't know, am I imagining this? Maybe I should stand up and show you what I mean. So I'm going to click, so that's 1. Yeah, I'm not sure if there is. I'm not sure, to be honest with you, but I'm just going to show you again. So when you're working, like when I am working, I'm probably going to bring this light all the way down, and it is very, very bright, like, and the way it goes across, so it can go right across. Yeah, I'm just really happy with that. First impressions, I am really happy with it. It is way better than the light that I had before, so I will keep you posted on how it works out. I have every other light off now in the salon, so I think I could easily work with this. This is really nice light in here. Please excuse my dust collector, I do need to empty it. I had clients this morning, but I definitely think I could just work with this and leave the light off. So yeah, first impressions, this is great. Like I said, I will leave the link in the description, and let me know if you have any experience with this lamp or if you are going to try it out for yourself. And I hope this video helped you guys, and I will see you in the next one.